Hi, welcome back to another session from HSBC on unlocking the keys to success. My name is Jasmine Fowler. I'm a recruiter within the early career team here at HSBC, and this is the third session of 3, looking at how do you use your personal brand. So we've already covered why is your brand important during session 1, and then in session 2 we covered how do you build your brand, and this session we are looking at how do you use your personal brand now that you've got one. So how can you use your personal brand? So the first thing to do will be to set yourself some goals. Now these may be career goals, these could be personal goals, these could be ways you wish to develop yourself in the future, and set yourself some really smart goals. So looking at how they can be measurable, how they can be specific, achievable, realistic, and that they have a time frame on them. And this will really help you to set yourself a really clear path of where you want to be. Be aware that your brand is a constant work in progress, so some things will change about your personal brand as you develop, as you change, and as you go through different life experiences, and actually that's okay. Your personal brand will change and can change, and everyone's is changing all the time. Make sure that you experience good and bad feedback. Now we touched on this during session 2, but feedback is really important in terms of your development, seeing how other people will perceive you and your reputation and how they will talk about you to other people. Reassess and amend your personal brand. So if your personal brand isn't working or you're not achieving what you wanted to, perhaps looking at your goals that you would have set. If you're not working your way towards them successfully, then maybe consider reassessing and amending them. Expand and develop your brand with experience. So there'll be more layers to your personal brand, and the more that you develop and the more that you understand about yourself. And then finally, you will reach your goals. Hopefully you will end up achieving your goals and where you want to be with your career. And actually that means that you'll have further things to put down on your personal brand and talk about when you meet people for the first time. So what are the main benefits of using your personal brand? So the first one will be build better relationships. So through establishing your personal brand, you can identify who you are, what you stand for, and what you want. By knowing these things, you can attract and connect with more like-minded people, honestly, and build mutually beneficial relationships. You'll build stronger relationships, which can mean better cooperation with colleagues, more opportunities with clients, and more pleasant work interactions as well. Secondly, you'll have more career opportunities. So by identifying your personal brand, it can help you to make more intentional decisions about where you network and who you network with. By defining your goals and establishing what you need to do to progress in your career, you can make conscious steps towards achieving your career goals. And it may also open up new opportunities that you had never even considered beforehand. Thirdly, you'll build a greater connection with others. So whether your audience includes personal clients or potential employers, developing an authentic personal brand allows people to feel they better understand you and that they can connect with your values. Authenticity and confidence can help you to forge valuable connections and improve the volume of successful interactions that you have with others or career opportunities from prospective employers. Great connections may also create new opportunities, as clients can be more likely to recommend you to their colleagues. And then finally, improve your recognition. So your personal brand defines who you are, and it promotes that message of your personal brand to the world. So taking control over this process, your networking and sharing your message ensures that more people hear of you, recognise your name, and understand what you represent. Name recognition can create positive associations between you and your services, which can attract more clients to you. So those are the main benefits of using your brand. I hope that these 3 sessions on personal brand and unlocking the keys to success have been really helpful and beneficial to you. We do have a lot of early careers opportunities here at HSBC, so if you are interested in potentially looking at a career in finance and understanding more about what we do here at HSBC to kickstart your career, please do head to the HSBC student and graduate careers page, where there's lots of information on apprenticeships, work experience, our graduate programme and internships as well. And hopefully we'll see you applying for some of our HSBC programmes very shortly. Thank you all so much for your time, and I hope that you've enjoyed these 3 sessions.